Have you ever wondered, how can I be more forgiving of myself? If so, please know you are not alone. Self-forgiveness is an important and often surprising part of healing and forgiving others. Many times, when we attend a forgiveness session or workshop, we go in thinking it's all about letting go of what someone else did. But along the way, we discover something deeper. We realize we've also been blaming ourselves. We feel ashamed, embarrassed, thinking, I should have known better. I shouldn't have let this happen to me. And even when that's not the case, there's often still something in us waiting to be forgiven. Something that holds us back from believing that we deserve more good in our lives. Here's the truth. When you forgive yourself, you don't just free yourself. You benefit everyone around you. You allow more good to flow into your life, and through you, to the people you care about. Self-forgiveness removes the blocks and restrictions that negative feelings have built up over time. It's wonderfully liberating to discover that forgiving yourself is actually one of the most generous and unselfish things you can do. Because when you do, you become more able to share your gifts, your love, and your light. You let more goodness flow in, so you can let more flow out. It may seem almost funny to realize that self-forgiveness is, in the end, one of the most compassionate and powerful gifts you can offer to yourself and to everyone whose life you touch. So today, I invite you to consider, what would it feel like to finally forgive yourself? And who might benefit when you do? There's a reason forgiveness is often called a miracle. Because it is one. When you learn to truly forgive, you unlock power you didn't even know you had. The power to heal your mind, to strengthen your body, to improve your relationships, to transform your career, even to change how much abundance flows into your life. Because forgiveness changes your energy. It shifts your attitude. It opens your heart. When you stop carrying bitterness, you start carrying hope. People feel that, and the world responds. You start to walk differently, think differently. You attract new chances, new support, new life. Forgiveness isn't about letting others off the hook. It's about setting yourself free. Free to grow, free to rise, free to live. If you're ready to experience this miracle for yourself, download the 4 steps to forgiveness. No email, no cost, just clarity. Start your journey, step into your freedom, because you deserve the miracle of forgiveness.